Most people think of a time machine as a box with buttons, or a car that hits 88 miles per hour. But science tells us something much more profound. Time is not a straight line that we ride like a train. Time is a fluid. It can be stretched, compressed, and even folded. The truth is, a time machine is not a machine you sit in. A time machine is a state of being. To move through time, you don't need a vehicle. You need to change your relationship with the universe. You either need to be incredibly fast, incredibly heavy, or you need to vibrate the very fabric of reality. Welcome to the future of the light coil. We have been living within the flow of time for 13,800,000,000 years. For almost all of that history, we were victims of it. But Albert Einstein changed the rules of the game. He showed us that time is linked to space. He called it spacetime. Our first path to the future is kinematic time dilation. This is the law of speed. Einstein discovered that as you move faster through space, you move slower through time. Your internal clock would slow down to a crawl. Imagine a twin who leaves Earth on a rocket. They travel for 5 years at nearly the speed of light. When they return, they are only 5 years older. But their twin on Earth has been waiting for 50 years. The traveler has moved 45 years into the future. This is not a theory. The second path is gravitational time dilation. This is the law of mass. Gravity does not just pull on rocks. It pulls on time itself. The stronger the gravity, the slower time flows. If you stand at the foot of a mountain, you are aging slightly slower than someone at the top. If you want to travel centuries into the future, you need a bigger weight. If you could park your ship near a black hole, time would almost stop. An hour spent near that monster could be 1,000 years on Earth. When you fly away, you would emerge into a future where everyone is gone. There is a third, biological path: suspended animation. This is about the clock inside your cells, not physics. By cooling the body and stopping metabolism, you are simply waiting. You close your eyes in 2026 and open them in 2126. Now we enter the most mysterious path: gravitational waves. In 2015, we finally detected the ripples of space itself. If we could ride these waves, we would be surfing on the fourth dimension. We could create a bubble where time stands still. And then there are wormholes, the shortcuts. A wormhole is a breach through spacetime, a permanent time portal. All of these ideas seem impossible, but this is where the light coil changes the story. We have the power of the photon. By wrapping millions of miles of optical fiber into a cylinder, we create a track for energy. And remember, energy is gravity. Because the light is circulating, it creates a concentrated mass and drags the fabric of spacetime. We are twisting the fourth dimension. Inside the light coil, we have created a time state. If you stand inside that field, you are effectively traveling into the future. This is the true power of the gravitational coil. For the stars, you don't need to sleep. You just step into the gravity field of the coil. We must change how we think. Time is a tool, a resource to be harvested. The light coil is our shovel to dig into the fourth dimension. Imagine the possibilities. We could bring back cures for diseases or preserve our greatest minds. This is the end of the now as a prison. The light coil is our ticket to the bigger story. But we must be careful. If you bend time too far, you might not be able to unbend it. With enough energy and light, we can choose which century we want to live in. It uses the most basic thing, light, to conquer time. One day, we might use this to save our planet from disaster. Fire gave us heat, the wheel gave us distance, and the light coil will give us time. Time is not our master, but our partner. Thank you for joining me. A simple coil of light can become the ultimate key to the universe. Please subscribe. Your support is the energy that keeps our ideas spinning. Give this video a like and share it with someone ready for the future. Leave a comment below. If you had a light coil, how far would you go? And click that notification bell. The future is coming. The light coil is a promise. See you in the next discovery. Keep looking up. Keep questioning the now. Time is what you make of it.